Five shot, two fatally at illegal party in St. Anne. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The St. Anne police are probing the shooting death of a man and a woman and the injuring of three others at an illegal party in Discovery Bay, St. Anne on Monday, December the 27th. The deceased has been identified as 23-year-old Tamara Kelly of Old Folly in the parish and 21-year-old Roger Linton of Glanville in Trelawney. Reports from the St. Anne's police are that at about 12:30 a.m., Kelly and Linton were among a group of people at an illegal party when explosions were heard. When the shooting was subsided, Kelly and Linton were found suffering from what appears to be gunshot wounds. They were transported to the hospital where Linton was pronounced dead, while Kelly passed away while undergoing treatment. The other three injured individuals, one of whom is said to be a 33-year-old from the United States, are being treated at hospital. The investigation continues. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.